Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a watch list in the eBay app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and the growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the eBay app. And if you're scrolling and seeing some items what you like, you can tap here on the corner of this picture. You can see a heart-shaped icon. You can tap on that one too, or you can tap to add to watch list, and you are going so on, or like this, or here add to watch list. And if you go back on the main screen, you can tap on the top left corner to the menu icon, and under this My eBay you can see watching. You tap on it and you can find the items what you liked before, and you can easily order from here later. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.